Hello everyone. Today's topic is Introduction to Digital Marketing. What is digital marketing? Today's world is paperless world, or we can say earth-friendly, eco-friendly world. To reduce your work on paper are nothing but digital marketing. The main content is are available on digital platforms such as TV, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, social media, WhatsApp, and etc. To express your all wordings in that digital world are nothing but the digital marketing. There are some taglines like ICICI Bank or Nokia connecting people are the catchy words for the digital marketing. Is benefits of that digital marketing. First is time and effort saving. Correct. Your efforts are saved because of this digital marketing. If you are stuck in traffic and you want to work on your project, you can work on digitally with the help of your mobile or laptop. But in that case when you are using paper, you are not going to work on digital marketing. Then flexibility, you can work everywhere anytime as per your requirements. Instant feedback, customer can give instant feedback, like comments on your post or your videos on Facebook or WhatsApp or YouTube. You can get real time instant feedback or messages from users on digital marketing or digital platforms. Then real time analysis, you can check how many people are watching your videos, reading your articles, reading your all the data which is your publicly imported or posted. Impactful, it is very impactful because it is catchy, or you can say it is digitally performed so that color combinations and all the equipments are used very beneficially. That's why digital marketing is better and helpful for all the people who are in the business and want to grow their business. Economical, yes, it is economical because if your ad is for only for adults, so you can show that ad as per the ratings. If some adult content are visible or like news or any other like recipes, only adults like 18 plus adults mostly watching news now, like economical news or any other news. So you can show your ads uh, age group wise, like some ads like chocolates ads for ladies and kids, but if you want to sell some watches, TVs, so that ads for adults like employers, 30 plus group. So it is economic. What are the objective of digital market? Why? Then first is reach the right audience. Yes, reach the right audience is also very much helpful. If you are publishing something and you want to give that content for only adults and children are watching that, that is not impactful for your business. Then engage your audience. Yes, you have to create something engagement advertisement like songs, or catchy words, catchy atmosphere. Like nowadays we are sitting at home and just because of lockdown we can't go anywhere, so you can create the imaginary world that you are going outside from your home and enjoying something, and at that same time you are eating Maggie or cookies that are nothing but the engaging your audience. Then motivate your audience to take action. Yes, you if you want to purchase something, uh, at that time you are watching, oh, that ad was nice and the ad was saying that that product is very good, so review from that advertisement is very much impactful for the people who is going to buy your product. Then maximum return on investment, that is the main point. If you are investing something like 10,000, and you are actually expecting that I am investing 10,000, so minimum 11,000 I need to get. If your product is new, then you can say yes, 5K, 8K is okay. But if you are good at your strategies, your marketing, then you can confirmly say that no, my product will reach up to 11K. Then the tools for digital marketing. These are the example like Sprout Special and Offer Pop. Offer Pop is nothing the pop-up. Sometimes you are looking something on in Amazon, or you can say Flipkart, and that similar ads are pop up on Facebook, Instagram. With the help of this, some applications like Offer Pop, then Sprout Special can find out the catchy keywords, like someone is going to check demanding school, best school inside their at their area. Then what are the catchy word? Best school in here in my area, or in Pune, in Mumbai, and etc. These are the example. There are many other applications which are performing all the details, or like keywords or pop-ups. That's it for the day. Thank you. Thank you.